Hi my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to be making this fish recipe. Here are all my fish. I don't know the name of all these fishes. I don't know. Here are all my ingredients: mixed pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, vegetable oil, ginger and garlic, mixed ingredients. All of them are all here. These are my mixed spices, combination of curry powder, ginger and garlic powder. All of them are mixed together, and I'm mixing it on a plate now so I can use it to marinate my fish. You can use any ingredients of your choice. It's a matter of choice. Then I pour everything on a warm plate and mixing it together. Add vegetable oil to it so it will make it light. Here are all my fish, well clean. You can see how clean it is. I cleaned it very well, both inside and outside. Make sure you use your scissors to remove all those side bones so that you will not have any obstacles as you'll be eating your fish. Then I use my knife to cut the fish on the body. You can see how I'm cutting it. It will enable all the ingredients to penetrate inside the fish. Yeah, in that way your fish will be very tasty. But if you didn't give it a cut on the body, there is no way the ingredients can enter inside your fish. And I go ahead to cut this fish this way. Normally I usually cut it in round shape, but today I want to make it this way. I cut it flat like this and remove all those side bones also, because I don't want anything that will be an obstacle on my mouth when I'll be enjoying my fish. Then I go ahead to also give it a cut on the body to enable my ingredients penetrate inside. This is what I did to all of them. Then these are my mixed ingredients. I go ahead to use it to marinate my fish. Marinate your fish very well. It will make your fish to be very tasty. But if you don't marinate it, it's not gonna be tasty. I finished marinating that one. If you know the name of all these fishes, please drop it on a comment section for me, because I'll be enjoying these fishes, but I don't know the names. But if I still find the name, I'll still put it on the screen here. I'm rated all of them. You see it? See the way that I'm doing it? Make sure everything enters inside. I'm done marinating all my fish now, and I'll go ahead to cover it with this nylon, and I'll be putting it in my fridge. Yeah, because I want it to rest there so the ingredients can enter inside very well. I left it there for about 10 minutes depending on my time. Depending on your own time, you can keep it there overnight. Sometimes I will keep it overnight. In that way, your fish will be more tasty. I put this pepper on my air fryer because this air fryer, every time I'll be washing it, I don't want to wash it today. I just put this pepper and I put my fish. It contains 3. Put it on my air fryer to do its job. And I'm putting this one on my grill to grill it for me. I also put the pepper on top. And I go ahead to make this sauce for eating of my fish.